Welcome to Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to open a bank account of Starling Bank at home online within a 5 minutes. So let's begin. So first of all, I want to tell you Starling Bank application does not support screen recording, so that's why I am recording it from mobile to another mobile. So first of all, I have to go on Chrome browser. Just open your Chrome browser. After opening your Chrome browser, as you can see, I am already opening starlingbank.com application websites, and you have to download this application. So click on get the application, and after you will come to the Play Store and you can install this application. And when you install this application, the interface of this application just like it, you have to click on I am new to Starling. After it, you have to next, and you have to click on personal. So I am not clicking on personal just because of I am in India right now, so I have to connect a VPN of UK, so I am connecting a UK VPN. As you can see, I am connected to a VPN of UK, so that's why I am opening Starling, because Starling does not support in India. So already I have to connect a VPN, and I am clicking on I am new to Starling, next, and I have to click on personal. So after that, you have to enter your mobile number, as you can change your country code by clicking on it. It supports many countries, but it does not support India, so that's why I have to connect a VPN. So I am entering my UK number. As you can see, I already entered my UK mobile number, so I am clicking on continue. So click on continue, and after it you will receive a OTP. As you can see, I did not get any OTP, so please, if you don't get any OTP, then click on resend code. As you can see, I already enter SMS code and click on submit. So I am clicking on submit. It's sending this code and doing a verification. And I already created a video on Monzo bank account. If you interested in Monzo, then please go to this video in I button link. Here is the option. Please choose how would you like to unlock Starling, fingerprint and passcode, and there is a passcode option. So I am clicking on passcode. So I have to create a passcode. I can create 1 2 3 4, so I am just entering 1 2 3 and 4. That's what is this? The pin you are entering is not secure enough. Try to creating a pin that is too easy to guess. Okay, I am creating something new, so I have to create just like this. Okay, that's good. 2580. I can create any pin as you want. As you can see, here is in some new options. So first of all, now we need to your full name as appear on your ID card. So click on title and give your title Mr., Mrs., Miss, Mix, and okay, I have to click on Mr. and enter your full name. So there is a enter your full name, not you have to enter your first name, middle name and last name. If you don't have any middle name, then leave it. So first of all, I am clicking on first name and I am entering my name. My name is Pankaj, Pankaj, as you can see, Pankaj, and I don't have any middle name, so I am entering my last name is Purohit. So as you can see, Puro. So I click on Purohit and I have to click on continue. So as you can see, if you're really enjoying this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I want to tell you also, I already create a video on Monzo bank account. Please check out, and if you are interested in that, please like the hit button. And you can see that here is a new interface. Please enter your date of birthday, any DOB. You must have 16 or older to open a Starling bank account. So I'm clicking on date, so I have to enter a date. Okay, I entered my DOB, so I have to enter a DOB. Okay, and as you can see there, okay, I already entered my DOB. I have to click on continue, then press continue, and you have to enter your any email address. As you can see, I entered my email address. This is my personal email address for banking, so I have to click on confirm. Then I click on confirm, and here you can see you have to enter your post code and enter your house number or name. So first of all I have to enter my post code, then I am entering it. As you can see, I entered my house number and name, and also I entered my postal code. So I have to click on search. After selecting your address, click on confirm. So as you can see, I already confirmed this address. You have to check mark you lived at this address for more than 6 months. Click on yes. If you don't have any personal address, you can also give your hostel address. So here is your all data. You have to manage it, and you have to sure that you confirm everything and everything is great and fine. Click on yes button. After clicking on yes, you have to manage your application. This is checking your confirm details. You have to make sure it's really you. We have to check application against your photo ID or a video from you. So you have to click on got it. So there is a 3 option: passport, full UK driving license, and provisional UK driving license. You have to select any three of the one. So I am clicking on passport. So click on passport. After clicking on it will ask for your permissions, so give it permission. So now there is a box, and you have to enter your passport ID from it and capture the photo. After clicking a pictures of your photo ID card, you have to there is a message: is all writing easy to read and are all from corner visible. If you click on yes, and if you don't if you want to try again, then click on try again. So I am clicking on yes. Is your face clearly visible in the photo? So if your face is clearly visible, then click to yes, and if not, then you have to try again. So I am clicking on yes. After clicking on yes, this is uploading a pic of to Starlink. Then after it process, you can see that as you can see, there is a message: a video of you. Thanks Pankaj. Now time for a video of your. The video will be stored securely. We will only use your video to open your bank account. So click on continue. You have to give a permission, so please give it permission. I am using in Hindi language, so as you can see there is a Anumati De, so you have to click on permission, allow. After it, you have to face recognize and say that I am Pankaj Purohit and I am a Starlink customer. That's it. You have to start recording. I am Pankaj Purohit and I am Starlink customer. Then you can see there is a message: can you easily hear yourself repeating the phrase and I am a Pankaj Purohit and I am a Starlink customer. You can also try again and click on yes. So I am clicking on yes. So now you have to enter your income. To help us to understand how you are use your account, please enter your income. You can also enter your monthly income and you can also your weekly income. So I am entering my weekly income and I can also a monthly income. So that's why here you can see I am entering something 5,000. So click on 5,000 and click on next. After clicking on next, this is monthly salary, weekly wages and everything you have to clear that. So I am clicking on monthly salary, that's it. And anything else you can click on other benefits and students loan. You have any so I have a investment, so but I did not want to show you. Then I want to click on okay. As you can see, here is a some term and condition of Starlink: general terms, account terms, rates, fees and charges and notice. So click on submit application. After it, your account will be activated in 7 days. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you are interested in Monzo Bank, then you can also check out Monzo Bank account opening process. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.